Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 6, Lesson 4. Your objective is that by the end of this lesson, you should be able to plot an integer on a number line. Okay, let's first highlight this information. This is not on your notes, but I would add it. Positives go to the right, and the numbers get bigger, okay? Then negatives go to the left, and the value of the number gets less, okay? So thinking about that, what that means is that the value of negative 18 is bigger than the value of negative 22. Which one do you have less of? Think about it like money. It's a lot easier to wrap your brain around it because we've taught you all your life so far that as the numbers get bigger, you have more. And that's true with positive numbers. The opposite is true with negative numbers. As the number gets bigger, you have less because you owe more. All right, so let's see if we can figure out what the missing integers are. So first I've got to figure out what they're counting by. Well, I can see that they jump from 18 to 20. That's two numbers in between. So negative 19 would have been right here. So I have to jump by twos, right? Okay, so if I skip count 18, 20, 22, this would be negative 24 because we're in the negatives, right? So negative 18 is greater than negative 24 because negative 24 takes more out of my account, gives me less. Negative 18 takes some out, but not as much as negative 24. So I'll have more money. All right, looking on this side, we're going the other way. So in between 14 and 18 should be 16. If I'm counting by twos, oh, I got to put my negative sign. If I'm counting by twos and I go backwards, so 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12 would be the next one going backwards. Okay, let's look at this one. We have here negative 15. Oh, there's a spot, and then negative 13. It's counting by one, so if I take what goes between 13 and 15, well, negative 14 does. What comes before negative 12? Well, negative 11. What comes after negative 9? Well, negative 10. So negative 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, here's a tricky one because it's going to go both ways. If I look to the right, which is the easier way first, I'm skip counting by fives. So 5, well, we all know that's 10, right? 15, okay? If I'm skip counting by fives that way, I'm skip counting by fives this way, just negative. So negative 5, negative 10, and negative 15. Great job. Ooh, let me pull it so you can see the whole number. All right, look at this last one. Here's 0. Okay. Something 0, 8. What is the difference between 8 and 12? Well, it's 4. So they're counting by 4. So 0, this would be 4, 8. What comes 12? What comes after 12? Well, 16. Let's go the other way. What comes between 0 and negative 8? Well, negative 4. Good job. All right. It is now your turn to practice. I want you to do these 4 problems. There's 4, so you make sure you're scrolling on the screen or on your paper. You're looking at all 4. Go ahead and fill these in, pause the video, then come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, for this one, you should have been counting by twos. So negative 62, negative 60, negative 58, negative 56, negative 54, negative 52, and negative 50. Okay, let's see what they're doing here. 24 to 27 is threes. So let's see. If I'm counting by threes and I go 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Good job. Okay, let's look at these next two. Okay, they're counting by twos, right? If I add 2 to negative 13, I get negative 15. If I add 2 more, okay. So count backwards. So take 2 away from negative 13, you get negative 11. Take 2 away from negative 11, and you get negative 9. Take 2 away, and you'll get negative 5. There we go. Okay, let's look down here. Count by tens. So here's negative 10. What comes before negative 10? Well, if I take 10 away, I get 0. 0, negative 10, negative 20. Scoot that out. Negative 30, negative 40, negative 50, and negative 60. Great job. All right, that is the end of Unit 6, Lesson 4. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I'll see you for Lesson 5.